Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 trading tips, okay, I mean $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This was on downtrend before, but got to the support zone, was unable to break out below it, and of course it went back on uptrend. Right now it has got into the resistance zone and it has not been able to break out from there, so we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, and it should be getting to this particular support zone. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity right from there. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500, and this had been on downtrend for a very long time, starting from the resistance zone, got to this support zone, had the pullback, went back down to break out below it, and it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's most likely it goes back on uptrend. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on a very long downtrend, but got to this support zone and went back on a buy trend. Couldn't go for a very long time before going back into a downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out crash 500 right now. So guys, this is crash 500, and it had been on downtrend for long, so the market has been playing within this region for a very long time, although it has not been able to break out below the support zone. Once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then we should experience more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so this is very important, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there. The last asset is going to be V75. V75 had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, but it has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. Once it breaks out below this trend line, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should expect that to happen. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity, but first it needs to break out below the trend line, and of course if it breaks out below it, then we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but if it does not break out below the trend line, then it will buy more, so we should take note of that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis or the strategies shared in my videos, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.